All right, Russell, we've taken lipstick off a pig, and now tell me the specific history about this vehicle, because I know it's special to you, but let's talk about this M38. Okay, and this is a 51 or a 52?
51. This is 51.
Okay.
And the M38 is my personal preference of military vehicles, of all military vehicles. Lowest production military vehicle, 68,000 produced. The M38 has, this particular M38, I restored for Colonel Bob Hagan, Fort Benning, and spent carte blanche, and no reproduction parts, all original parts out of Fort Benning. So once we put it all together, it took me a while to do it. In his passing, we actually took his coffin to the gravesite on the trailer with this Jeep, and I was able to drive it. So I was the ultimate pallbearer. At his death, they left this to me in his will.
Wow.
And I'm looking for a good museum that's worthy. I don't want to use this in any other way, but I want it to outlive me. And so, but this is my first personal Jeep. It's dirty, but it's used, but this is the most original M38 you will find out there in this country.
Well, and you know, that's an interesting point that you make here, and we've kind of talked about it a little bit. For all of us that have these vehicles, you got to start them, you got to run them, you got to drive them.
Exactly.
Okay, I mean, I know I love to look at it, and I love it to be clean and all of that, but they're made to be used.
Well,
okay?
I look at it like the fire trucks. You know, you see these fire trucks inside these buildings, they're just sitting there.
Yeah.
Every week they have the fireman come in, and what's he doing? Cranking them up, run it through the motions, run that pump. You have to do that. This has a pump. You have to run it through it. Drive this thing. Either crank it up, run those wheels, get the grease on the top side of the bearings. So I always tell everybody, use it or lose it. So you need to drive it.
There you go. Well, God bless you for all you've done. This is a special 38. I have a 51 as well. I love driving it.
Right.
Okay, it is just a great running vehicle, and